Hi, this is Joe Hill from Done Right Management. I'm at the Mill Court Townhouse, and we're just going over the television setup in the living room. Now, when you have the cupboards closed, these two doors, it's a little bit difficult to recognize that there is an actual television back here. So, just in case you guys wondering where the television is, it happens to be behind these two doors right here. So, this television is hooked up with cable one, and so you have a cable one remote control. You have a DVD player, which is a Sony DVD, and this is the DVD controller. So the way that this television works is that you have your power button up at the top left, your source button, your volume controls. So if you want to transition between the TVs, you will utilize the arrows up and down. So you hit the source button, and then you will go to the AV, hit OK, and then that's going to go to the DVD player, which there's no DVD in there, so it's requesting a disc to be put in. But that's pretty well it. So you've got the source button, and then use your arrow keys. And then we're going to go to HDMI 1, and then you have access to cable 1. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us in the office. The landline phone number is 208-634-0030. And fairly straightforward, easy utilization. You have the volume control on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side, you have your choice for changing the channels. And that would be it. If you've got any further questions regarding the Mill Court Townhouse, you can reach out to us at Done Right Management. The landline number was a 208-634-0030. Cheers. Hope you're having a great time.